Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to enable two-factor on Facebook. First of all guys, we need to go to our browser and open Facebook, or you can just use your application as well in your phones. So just go ahead and open Facebook. And then here guys, we click on our icon or our account, and then we go to settings and privacy. After that, click on settings. And here we will wait a little bit and go to privacy or account settings to be more specific. So let me just go back. So here account settings, and here you will find multiple information like your name, contacts, add accounts, and identify confirmation. So here all you need to do is click on here to view it in case you wanted to make identification idea of confirmation, and it will make your account more secured. If not, you can just go back here and go to settings or security and login. And then from here, all you need to do is go here. So over here, two-factor authentication. And you can just use two-factor authentication from here. So click on edit. And all you need to do is use authentication app. So you can use an application like Google Authenticator or your mobile to generate verification codes for more protection. So for example, I'm going to use it. So use authentication for app here. And all we need to do is go to our mobile, take a photo using the app. So let me just open the app in my phone. Here we go. Add scan QR code, and then let me just scan it real quick. Continue. And now all I need to do is write it. So here it goes. 6433. And just like so, let me just fix it with 06. Oh, let me, my bad. It's 691046. So, yep, that was it. So this is my login. So I click done here. And after that, I need to put my password. And just like so, I have made my two-factor authentication in my Facebook. So because I don't want it to be in my account, I'm not going to put really my password and click on continue. But for you guys, just put your password and it will be done. So thank you guys for watching. That was it with today's video, and see you in the next tutorial.